Hello and welcome back everybody, and welcome to another great episode of the Geek Tech Show. And if you don't want to ever miss another episode, make sure you click just down below and subscribe to another one of the Geek Tech Shows. In today's episode, we are going to be checking out what is a cool way, and not just one, a few different ways that you can make money online as soon as today. So for 2019, which are the best ways for you to make income right now? We'll start off with number one. This is eBay. And I'm going to be talking about the ways I make money online myself, and this will help you to make money online as well. So eBay is the number one way that you can make money online. How do you go about and do it? You sell anything you have around your house that you no longer need, no longer use, find other people to sell things for, and above all, you're going to be taking and buying things online from other locations and selling them as well. Which actually brings me to number two, a very interesting way that you can make money online. It's called Etsy. Etsy is a great way for you to make money online by getting creative, finding vintage products to sell, and selling your digital products as well. So if you're an artist, this is a great way for you to get started. Now, number three, third way for you to make money online, it's called Fiverr. Fiverr.com. No, you can't just make $5 on Fiverr. It used to be this way, but now you can charge anything you actually want. It is a significant way for you to make money online, and you can get started as soon as today, teaching, giving different kind of gigs, and make money with it online as well. Number fourth way for you to make money online is actually to teach. And by teach is tutor people with something you're good at. You don't have to have any qualifications to start tutoring. You have to have some expertise, and you can even start your own business and start a tutoring business as well. Number fifth way for you to actually make money online is to go ahead and start teaching on Udemy. And that's where I teach myself, and you should check it out as well. Number sixth way for you to make money is to go ahead and teach on Skillshare. You don't need to have much qualifications. It's very easy to get accepted to teach over there, and you can make money online as well. Number seventh is affiliate marketing. You can go ahead, become an affiliate, and sell products for somebody else and make money. Lots of different affiliate programs. I have the affiliate masterclass in case you ever want to join. 6 hour plus of content for you to check it out. Number seventh way for you to make money online is to make YouTube videos such as this one right here. And I make a substantial amount of money every single month with my YouTube videos as well. Number 8 way for you to make money online is to start a dropshipping business, import and export. So you import from Alibaba and you sell it on eBay. That's right. And this is a great way for you to make cash. In fact, I have the whole entire class. Check it out, linked down below. Number ninth way for you to make money online is actually to sell some other people's online classes, such as my classes. Instead of going ahead and creating your own class, you can actually white label, ask an instructor to buy the rights to the class and sell it in places not on Udemy, not on Skillshare because it's not allowed, but actually sell it on your own platform called Teachable. And you can sell it to other people and make money and keep 100% of the profit. So some of my courses are up for sale. If you're ever interested in this, contact me on Facebook. Number 10, another way for you to make money online is, of course, to hustle. You're going to be hustling extra to make money online. So which way is the 10th way to make money online right now? It's pretty simple. What you have to do is to find what you're really good at and start doing it today. And with that being said, the 10th way for you to make money online is to figure out what you're good at. And with that being said, you gotta go ahead and get a coach such as myself to teach you how to make money online, because there is no 10th way to make money online. There is the way to make money online. Well, hopefully you really enjoyed this video. Learned something new today. And those are some of the top ways that I make money online right now, and you can as well. Now, I actually did skip the 10th way to make money online because I forgot. And which is the 10th way I make money online? Affiliate. It actually is a secret way to make money online. Every one of my videos, right on the bottom below, I'm an Amazon affiliate. And as soon as somebody clicks on it, I get paid. Jing, 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 ch, ch, ch. So with that being said, I hope you really enjoyed this, and if you want to see more videos like this, smash that thumbs up button, and of course subscribe, and see you in another one of the Geek Tech shows.